Hey beautiful people, it's Honesty and thank you for clicking on my video. So I would like for you to journey with me in the Blue Mountain for some nice brunch at the Reggae Legends Estate. Now this gorgeous property, you can find them on Skyline Drive. It's just a few minutes from central Kingston. So if you know where Dub Club Sundays keep, it's the same road, so hint hint. So this gorgeous property, you can find them on Instagram. They're also on Airbnb. So if you're loving this view, if you're loving this gorgeous deck and you would like to stay here or eat here, the information will be down in the description, so you can't miss out. So like I mentioned, I went there for a brunch. It was food and drink inclusive. Now let me tell you, the food was 10 out of 10. Not to mention eating food on a great deck, like with a great view, like what can go wrong? So the place was definitely perfect and I really recommend it. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Oh, nice.
Put some more in your reference later.
You, my love. There was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears cause I don't want to hear it anymore. God, it's always something about you, my love. You, my love.
Hey beautiful people, it's Honesty and I appreciate you for clicking on my video. So I am currently at the Curry Festival in Kingston, so we're gonna have tons of fun. Everything curry I'm gonna have. I hope they have lamb because I'm very interested in trying curry lamb. Never have. So I'm gonna take you with me to show you all of the food booths. They're gonna have music, you know, product selling, like a lot of stuff. It's a festival basically, and that's the name of it. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys there. ¿Es este?
Sé que ya estoy encendiéndote y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar riéndote, aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me tiras. Siempre se acaba ese te lo digo directo, pero tenerte a mi lado para mí es una razón. Préndete, como un fili sé que ya estoy encendiéndote y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote, aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me miras, mami, quiero estar comiéndote. Como un fili sé que ya estoy encendiéndote y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote, aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me tiras, mami, quiero estar cogiéndote. Hace meses que no nos hemos visto, pero no quiero aceptar la realidad. Que lo que siento cuando echamos un polvo rico no es nada más que temporada. Acércate, baby, que quiero sentir tu piel. Ya estás sudando, rompiéndolo. Si se estás en pareja, pero hoy vas a ser infiel. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo, pero tenerte en mi cama pa' mí es una razón. Mantenemos viva la ilusión, mami. Préndete, como un fili sé que ya estoy encendiéndote y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote, aunque sé que
Front pocket working people. I see people in there. Independent ladies. Independent ladies look good. No man, it's a present. If it airs us the present. Ladies don't look good. Who can cook good? Ladies who can curry. And they run the belly. Test him. Because if you don't play a song,
Encendiéndote y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me miras, mami, quiero estar comiéndote. Como un fili sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Hace meses que no nos hemos visto, pero no quiero aceptar la realidad.
Hey beautiful people, so I'm just checking in to sign out. I appreciate you guys for watching the video so far. Continue to watch the rest of the preview. I did have a good time at the curry festival. With the only downfall, I wish that they had more variety of stuff. I was hoping to see lamb or curry. I was hoping to see curry lamb or curry rabbit. I did not get anything like that. Just our regular meats, the curry goat, mutton, you know, chicken, pork, just the fish, just the regular. So I wish there was more. But however, the food was great. Like, I super had fun with my food. The food was delicious, so I can't complain. And I did support some local vendors as well, so I'm really glad that I did that. But thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. And subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment down below yeah, if you enjoy this video. So peace.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 5. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up.